Welcome, medicos. You have achieved it after a long hustle. Keep moving. You are here because you deserve it. So, today we are going to talk about the things to keep in mind if you are in first year MBBS. So, today we are going to talk about the lectures first. So, you are going to start your college life now, and we should not forget that studying is the most important part of the college life. Yeah, fun, making memories, tours and travel, sports, college fest, and many more. All that includes, but the most important thing, the baseline is study because you are in the professional course, MBBS. So, as I have informed earlier, that you are going to have three lectures, theory lectures, and today I'll stick upon the theory topic only. So, do you really need to attend all the lectures? And what happen if you don't attend lectures? What I suggest is, anyway, you are going to have some days off due to some of the medical reasons, or you want to take leave, or you want to take leave for preparation for exams or something like that. So nobody is telling you to achieve that 100% attendance thing. Anyway, you are having 75% of attendance mandatory for theory and 80% for the practicals. So for theory and practical, let's just say that you have 20% of attendance in your hand. So how do you utilize that? It's not like you have to miss that 20%. Since you have, it's not that you have to spend that. If you have that particular thing, you have to use it judiciously. For example, most of the time it will help you before your internals to take 2-3 days off, before your university exams to take 10-15 days off. You may use it if you are having like 100% attendance throughout the year, and at last you need 10 days of holiday, or 15 days as per your attendance. You may take it. So that is going to be a booster for you, because end of the day you have to pass this course, you have to achieve good marks also. Also, if you are regular with the topics, it helps you because you tend to know what all topics are there in particular chapter, what topics are going on in the class. Otherwise, during your internals you will have no idea which are the important questions. Most of the times the professor do give a emphasis on the topic that this particular question is important for you, and this particular topic you should know. It is good to know, but this is not going to be a question for your university exams or internals. You don't have to read only because you have to pass your exams, but that is an important criteria too. So you should know which of the topics you should skip before the exams and which of the topics you should not, which are the topics you must revise a day prior to your exams. So all this idea you get only when you attend lectures. Most importantly, for your MCQs and for the vivas, they tend to give you the hint in the lecture also that we will pick this particular question as viva, we may take this question as an MCQ, or we can give this as a 10 mark. So all these tricks, if you are clever enough, you will note it down and you will revise that particular topic prior to your exams, prior to your practical viva and all. Now let's talk about art of writing answer. So writing an answer is an art. Why I'm saying this? Because you may, let's just say, you took one paragraph from any book, any standard textbook. You put exactly that into your answer, and somebody else took that particular para only and put it in his or her notebook or examination answer sheet. In that particular condition, you may get the variation in the marks given to you and that person. It all depends how you have presented that answer or how much content you have taken. Maybe you have written everything and that person has sorted all that important things and highlighted that as per the requirement of that particular question. Most of the time, they are not going to ask you directly that write a short essay on this. They are not going to ask write a brief description for this. They will divide the question into subtopics. If it is a 10 marker, they will divide it 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 or something like that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, like 5 times. So for example, 2 marks for each part of that answer. So you should know how much to write, because you may write everything. You may also get the same marks than the person who is writing only the point wise. But you are losing one thing, which that person is not: time. And time is a very important thing when you are giving your university exams, because that will be a different pressure altogether. Because you are in a university exams, you will be sitting in the examination hall. There will be environment, a different kind of environment, a different kind of mindset. In that particular time, time is everything. Time is the only thing which is going to help you to build an answer, to help you achieve what you really wanted to apply in that particular question. Do not miss that. So if you are supposed to write only for 5 marks, then write only for that particular marks only. Give and do justice to the answer, justice to the question. If the question is asking for 10 marks, you can't write just 5 points and come. And if the question is asking for just 5 marks, you should not write 2 pages. It's all about how you are going to present your answer, how you are going to show that you know that topic. And anyway, keep one thing in mind, which every senior and most of the time the professors and the teachers are going to tell you. Nobody is having time to go through your answer completely. So you just need to highlight those particular keywords which you want that the examiner must see. For example, if the examiner has got a answer key of the question, in that particular answer key, most of the time if it is a 10 marker, there will be 10 points. And examiner has to do only one thing. That examiner will search for that points in your answer. If, for example, the examiner could get 7 points, you will be awarded 7 marks. You may have written that 3 points also, but it's like it's not visible because your answer is very lengthy, or you have written in paragraphs or something like that. So your only thing which you have to do in, don't make the examiner search for the answer, because examiner don't have that much time. They have to correct a lot of answer sheet, and that's why if you highlight the answers, highlight that keywords, just the keywords, and it's done. You may also use an alternative way. Just make a small box and write all the keywords there. That will show that these particular keywords are present in the answer. Everything in this world is an art, and to excel in any field, you have to be the artist. So today in the topic we discussed about the importance of the lectures and art of writing an answer. In the upcoming video, I'll talk about the art of presentation. Till then, comment and tell me that what you understood from this topic, and what you want to know more about the first year MBBS. What all doubts you have, or what are your expectations before joining the medical college. You may also tell me to make videos on any particular topic which you want. So just drop a comment and we'll respond to it. We'll get back to you soon. Till then, remember this: a new battle begins today. And all the best for this. Hope you enjoy your MBBS career. Thank you.